Hey guys, it's Brie the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. We're gonna go couponing at Walgreens today. I have a very easy beginner-friendly challenge where you're gonna be able to grab $30 worth of products for a little less than $11 out of pocket. So if you are a beginner couponer or you're new to couponing at Walgreens, stay tuned. I'm gonna walk you through step by step exactly how to score that deal. I also have an incredible online deal for curbside pickup where you're grabbing $80 worth of products for free and a $2.30 moneymaker. Plus, I'm gonna share with you the curbside deal that I personally did so you can figure out whatever deals work best for you, be able to stock up on products that you actually need. There is a free printable breakdown as always below in the description box of this video. So click File, make a copy so you can edit the breakdown based on the deals that you actually wanna do. So you have the perfect game plan when you head in to Walgreens. So let's get started. Your first transaction, we're gonna grab the Colgate deal. So these are on sale for $5.50. There's also some on sale for $4.50, but you wanna grab the more expensive ones. They're also buy two, get a $4 register reward. And this week we got a 6 off 2 digital coupon. So we're gonna grab 2 of these. Then we're gonna grab the Garnier Fructis deal. So these are on sale 2 for $8. Buy 2 in store, you're gonna earn back a $4 register reward. So I'm gonna grab these 2 and clip the 3 off 2 digital coupon. So for your first transaction, these are the 4 products you're gonna give the cashier. You're gonna wind up paying $10 plus taxes out of pocket after your coupons come off. Then you're gonna get back a $4 register reward and a $4 register reward that we're gonna roll into our second transaction. So let's take a look at those deals. Next, we have some really great deals on paper products. So we're gonna grab Scott for $2.75 a piece. This week, they're buy one, get one half off, and they're always $5. Grab one of the toilet paper, clip the $1 off 1 digital coupon. Next, you wanna grab this 6 rolls of paper towels for $5. This one will be half off at $2.50 and clip the separate $1 digital coupon. That makes your final cost $5.50 for both packs or $2.75 per pack. That is definitely a stock up price. Next, we're gonna do the Axe body wash deal. So these are on promotion for buy one, get one half off. You're gonna grab 2 of them and clip the 5 off 2 digital coupon. Here is your second transaction. So you're gonna give the cashier all 4 of these products, type in your phone number, they're gonna scan the products, and you're gonna hand them both of the $4 register rewards from your first transaction. After all your coupons and the register rewards come off, you'll be left to pay 48 cents plus taxes out of pocket for all 4 of these products, which is incredible. So let's go over our total cash cost. So your total cash cost for all 8 of these products is $10.48 plus taxes, which is a 67% savings using only your phone. This is how important it is to learn how to coupon, especially only digitally. No cutting coupons, no buying newspapers, nothing like that. So if you wanna learn step by step exactly how to do this so you can start saving on every brand and product that you actually need, then definitely check out my Journey to Savings program. I'll link it below for you guys in the description box. It teaches you how to coupon at CVS, how to coupon at Walgreens, plus it now includes my brand new savings tracker, which is super detailed and it's gonna help you track exactly how much you're spending and show you how much you're saving. Some more hair care deals. There's a really good deal on TrustMate this week, especially if you need any of the hairsprays or hair stylers. They're on sale this week, $7 each. Buy 2 in store, get a $4 register reward. We also have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. So grab whatever 2 that you want, use that digital coupon. You'll pay $9 out of pocket, earn back the $4 register reward, makes your final cost $5 for 2 of them, or $2.50 a piece. I would definitely say that's a lot better than paying $7 a piece. That's crazy. We have an amazing deal on Dial Body Wash. This is actually one of my favorite body washes. They're 2 for $7 this week. Buy 3, get a $5 register reward. So grabbing 3 should bring you to $10.50. We have a 2 off 2 digital coupon, but this is the cheapest way to do it. You wanna grab 2 of these, it doesn't matter which ones, but then you wanna grab 1 of the men's. My store is out because this one works with an REBATE rebate for $1 cash back. The limit is 1. Then these down here work with a separate REBATE rebate for $1 cash back, limit is 1. So by grabbing 2 of these plus the 1 Dial Men, it makes your final cost just $1.50 for all 3 of them, because you're going to end up paying $8.50 out of pocket, getting back the $5 register reward plus the $2 cash back from Ibotta. So I think I'm going to pass on this deal without being able to do the Dial Men, because that makes it a lot cheaper. Definitely let me know if you score this deal. This deal is back. Every time it's back, I always stock up. These are my preferred storage bags because they're so cheap and they're honestly a really good quality. They're buy one, get 2 free. You can mix and match, and they're $2.79. Makes them 93 cents per pack, which is cheaper than the dollar store and better quality. So I'm grabbing those storage bags. The larger ones are the ones that I need. Mix and match, grab whatever you want. They have sandwich, they have freezer, slider, you name it, definitely snag it. I wanted to do the Walgreens storage trash bags as well, because these are the ones I use in my son's nursery, but they are out of the medium size that I need. They only have the small one and I'm all set on those. Still a really good deal at buy one for $4.99, get 2 free. They work great, so grab them if you need them. Here's a deal that requires no coupons. You can really stack up on laundry products. Arm & Hammer are $1.99 a piece. So in my opinion, the best value is going to be grabbing these over here and then grabbing the packs that are 14 count here. These liquids are just so freaking tiny, but if you want to mix and match, grab whatever you want. They're $1.99 a piece. We have some other laundry deals as well. So the All Free and Clear is on sale for $4.99 this week. We do have a $1 digital coupon as well. Makes it $3.99. It's not the best deal in my opinion, but if it's something you need and you can pay with Walgreens cash or register rewards to further lower your cost, then I would grab it. 50% off right there from their regular retail price. Plus we have a $1 digital coupon. Then you'll pay $4 out of pocket, submit to Ibotta for 50 cents cash back, limit is 1. Makes your final cost $3.50 for 2 bottles or $1.75 a piece. So I'm definitely snagging that. If you like Dove, not as good of a deal, but still cheaper than grabbing it at Walmart. The Dove hand soap right here are on sale for $4, same price as Walmart, but at Walgreens we have a $1 digital coupon, so you'll pay just $3. Still makes it 25% off. We also have an incredible deal on whole body deodorants. So this deal, in my opinion, is better to do online because the prices are a little bit cheaper. I went ahead and grabbed it online, but I'm going to show it to you in store. So the Dove whole body deodorant is buy one, get one half off. Online, they're $12.99. So again, it'll save you like 75 cents more. So grab 2. There is a 10 off 2 digital coupon. So online, you would pay $9.48. There are codes you can use online, plus you would submit and start with Rakuten to earn cash back. Then you're gonna submit to Ibotta for another $5 back. Makes your final cost like $4.20 for 2 of them, which is insane. And you wanna grab the Dove Whole Body Women's Spray. That's what I grabbed. Could grab the men's spray if you want instead. So we're back in from Walgreens, but first I want to go over the incredible moneymaker deal that you can do for curbside pickup. So the first thing you're going to start with, of course, is Rakuten, because they offer cash back when you shop online. So they also have an incredible new user bonus. If you use my link, which is below in the description box, when you spend $40 out of pocket, plus shipping, plus taxes, you're going to get $40 cash back plus the percentage back. So Walgreens right now is 2% cash back. When you create your account, then you're going to search for Walgreens and click on it. It'll take you right over to the regular Walgreens website. These are the products that you want to add to your carts. Now, some of them are offering Walgreens cash online, so we're going to go over that in just a second. But these are the ones that you want to add to your cart. So we're going to be grabbing some hair care products. There's so many good deals online. Now, these are all of the digital coupons that you want to go ahead and clip. When you're adding them to your cart, you just want to clip the coupons that you see associated with it, and that way it'll come off. Plus, you're going to use code WAG10 to save additional off of your total, which is really nice. So you're going to wind up paying $47.46 out of pocket. That includes your taxes. Do not pay with Walgreens cash, nothing like that. Actually pay that out of pocket. Then you're going to earn back $8.82 in Walgreens cash. Plus, you're going to be earning back the $40 if you're a new user of Rakuten and you used my link below in the description box. Then you're going to be earning back the 2% cash back on top of that. Makes your final cost free and a $2.30 moneymaker for $80 worth of products. That's insane. So now let's go over the transactions that I wound up doing for curbside pickup. I only did a curbside pickup deal today. I didn't do any of the deals in store. I was planning on doing the Dial deal, but they were out of the Dial men's, so I just went ahead and skipped it. So I want to share with you the transaction that I actually did online. Now, I recommend doing these deals online because, again, we're starting with Rakuten always first. Yesterday, they were offering 15% cash back. That's when I placed the order. Today, they're offering 2% cash back for Walgreens. So it does change all the time. But at the end of the day, you're clicking a couple buttons and you're earning cash back. That is the whole point of wanting to save money, is you're stacking your deals, you're stacking your savings. Plus, when you're doing online deals for curbside pickup, you can use codes like WAG10. Sometimes they'll have a 20% code, a 15% code to save even more. So what I wound up grabbing is the Dial hand soap. I grabbed the Scott paper products. Then I grabbed 2 Axe sprays deodorants. They're buy one, get one half off. Then I grabbed 2 of the Dove whole body spray deodorants. All my digital coupons came off. Here's the 10 off 2 for the Dove, $1 off for the Dial. Then there is a 6 off 2 for the Axe. I used code WAG10 to save a little bit more. I rolled $10 in Walgreens cash, paid $14.94 including taxes out of pocket. Then I submitted over to Ibotta. I got $7.50 cash back. Plus, for the Axe deal, there is a $1 bonus when you do 2 rebates. So I wound up getting another $1 cash back, which is $8.50 total cash back. So that makes my final cost, when I enter it into my new savings tracker, my final cash cost is going to be $6.44 for all those products, which is an amazing deal. I needed more hand soap for stocking up my bathroom. I always need more paper products because we run out pretty quick. I do resell as well, so it's probably my fault why I'm always so low on paper products. So that is everything that I went ahead and personally grabbed. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Please smash that like button for me on this video. That helps my channel so much. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.